Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2022 Rivian R1T. I'm at the car buying center and they have this car for sale for $93,500. So it's a really unique car, glacier white exterior paint, really awesome car. So we'll go ahead and do the exterior and the interior, walk around, review this truck. Follow me, let's take a look at it. But going over to the front, the first thing you'll notice is this light system, the bar across from it, and also this vertical headlights. Take a look at this with the daytime running light. When this truck is charging, this whole light bar turns green to indicate that it's charging. So really nice design. Down at the bottom, it's got the tow hook and also daytime fog light system. And down here, it's got the parking sensors throughout the whole front of the truck. So really nice design. The first thing you'll notice is just this light system, very unique, nothing we've ever seen before. And on the side here, it's got the charging port. So what you do is press this button and that opens up. And also you could pull this down for the fast charging. So currently you can take this Rivian truck to a Tesla charging station and charge it. They just enabled that system to where you can take any electric truck or car to the charging station and charge it. So a really nice thing they've done there. So to close this, press that button and that closes. So take a look at the overall design of this truck. Really unique. And also this one comes with a 21-inch wheel with the yellow brake caliper. And down the side it's got the Rivian logo. And on the wheel well here, you can see it's got the opening to allow air to come out. And also it's got the camera for a 360 view. And looking at the side mirror, it's got two cameras here, so one at the front and one down here. So a lot of cameras for this truck here. And looking at the side here, it's got the flush door handle. So once you lock it, this is all flushed. So the front door and the back door. Take a look at this. Now this truck is not as big as the Ford Lightning. It's a very compact truck. So you could basically park this truck anywhere, even in the compact zones you can park it. Take a look at the rear. It's got the 21-inch wheel as well. So now looking at the back of the truck, really unique design. So if you press the open button in the remote, you can see the light system here as well. So for the front, it's got the full bar, and also the back of the truck, it's got the full bar light system. And also the turn signals as well. It's down on this side. So take a look at this really unique design with the Rivian right on the center. And also down at the bottom, it's got the parking sensors throughout the whole truck. So to go ahead and open the truck here, so you press this button and that opens up. Take a look at that. And also it's got this portion here where it enables you to slide things through. So again, pretty nice space for this bed. And for the left side here, it's got the air compressor system. So once you open this, it's got the air compressor. And on the right side here, it's got two 12-volt plug-ins. So we open that. You can see that. And also it's got a light to illuminate it. So really nice design here. And it's got camera right up there for the bed. Once you close this, it's got another camera down over here. So overall, this truck has 11 cameras throughout the whole truck, which enables you to have a 360 view of the truck, especially when you're going off-roading. And another thing I want to point out in this truck is it's got a lot of storage spaces. So first of all, we'll go over to the front here. First storage space. Basically, there's a button here you press, if I can find it. So you press that and this front opens up. It's automated as well. So first storage space, really huge. Obviously there's no engine, full electric truck, so you got a lot of storage space up here. And once you open this up, you got even more storage space down here. So a lot of storage space in this truck. And also for this front, it's really huge. So to close it again, it's automated. Just press a button down here, you can find it again, or with the keys you double click it and that'll close. So first storage space. Now the second one is the gear tunnel, which is down here. And to open that up, you press this button and that opens up. So you can see here full gear tunnel. You could store a lot of things in here, and also it's got another door on the other side. We'll go ahead and open that. And this one here, you can stand on it, which can hold about 250 pounds. So if you want to get in the bed, you can stand on there, or if you want to get something on top of the truck, you can do that. So we'll go ahead and actually, let's go ahead and open the other side so you can see it. So on the right side here, the same thing. You press this button, and that opens up. Also 250 pounds, you can stand on it. So right there, you could store a lot of items in this truck, in this gear tunnel. Your golf clubs or luggages. You want to lock it up as well, you could do that. So really nice design. Go ahead and close it, but first, if you open this one, it's got a first aid kit. So go ahead and close that. And on the other side, it's got the cable for the air compressor. So once you open this one here, check that out. Cable for the air compressor. The same thing. You could actually crawl through it if you want to. If you're not claustrophobic, that is. So we'll go ahead and close that. So yeah, really nice truck here. Again, like I mentioned, it's a little smaller than the Ford Lightning, and definitely smaller than the Hummer EV. Those are full-size trucks. So check this out. Really nice, unique design in this truck. I really like it. And going into the interior of the truck, again, flush door handle. Take a look at this. And also the first thing I want to point out is this seat. Vegan leather seat. Really nice, unique design. Now looking at the door, another thing I want to point out is it's got flashlight in here. So if you're in the desert or going camping, you could use this for your lights, so you can turn that on. So it's really bright as well. Take a look at it. Ooh. Really bright, so you can turn it off and on just by pressing that button. You go ahead and put it back in. Kind of like with the Rolls-Royce where they have the umbrella in the doors. So really nice, unique design. Now going into the interior of the car, now you can see it's got Rivian logos all around the truck. So check this out. It's got the one here, and also you can see around the center here, it's got another logo down there, and then the steering wheel, nice logo. So we'll go ahead and go into the truck. So you press the brakes, and that turns the truck on with the automatic seats. So take a look at this 16-inch infotainment display right here. And also I like this steering wheel, leather as well, with contrast stitching. And also it's got the wood trim throughout the whole front of the car with the Rivian logo right there. With the leather dashboard, just take a look at this. Really nice and unique. So it's got a screen here for the dashboard. So basically on the left side here, it's got the efficiency display with the navigation once you start driving. Going over to the center, you can see here 16-inch infotainment display. So we'll go down to the first section here. It's got the navigation, really nice settings, so you could expand or pinch that. Take a look at that. And going over to the next one, it's got the radio system, and the next one is the drive modes and the settings for the car. So really nice settings. So these key buttons here do not change. And also go to the climate control section. Nice little display. So the climate control, you can move what direction you want the air to come out. So kind of like the same thing with the Tesla. So you could do that. And also it's got the seat warmers as well as the ventilated seat controls. It's got the steering wheel heater as well. So we'll go back to the drive mode. So for the drive mode, it's got the all-purpose sports. Now when you put this in sports, it lowers the suspension and also stiffens it for better ride quality and the conserve. So this one kind of helps with the conservation of the batteries. So you got the snow and off-road. So if you go off-road, so for off-road, it's got the all-terrain, it's got the soft sand, it's got the rock crawl, rally, and drift. So basically this will also raise up the suspensions. And you switch that to towing. So a lot of drive modes in this truck. You could basically take this car anywhere, either camping, or you want to go to the desert, or you want to go into the track. You could do that as well. Go down to sports mode, and that lowers the ride height. And you could actually feel the car going down. So really nice, unique design. And over on the right side here, it's got the wood trim, and also in the middle section here, phone chargers here. So basically, you could put your phone down here, 2 phones actually, and that'll charge it. So we'll go ahead and open the middle section here. Nice deep storages. Check that out. Close that. And also he's got cup holders, 2 cup holders up front with more storages down here. And also this is the vent. It's a really nice design for this truck. We'll go over to the back and take a look at it. So again, soft flush door handle. Now for the rear of the car. Now this one here comes with the panoramic roof. Take a look at it. Really nice design with the seats. I really love how nice these seats are. And also we go into the interior. She's got enough leg room for me. And down here's got the climate control for the rear seat. So he's got the seat heaters as well, so you can turn it on or off. Now you might be wondering how fast this truck is. Now this is the Rivian R1T. It's pretty fast. So this is a full electric truck. It's got no engines in it. It's got 4 independent motors on all 4 wheels, which combined produces about 835 horsepower with 908 pound-feet of torque. That is pretty fast. 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds. And this would pretty much beat a lot of supercars actually from 0 to 60. So it's really, really fast. 3 seconds for this truck. Full electric truck. It's crazy. And also this can tow about 11,000 pounds. So you can basically take your boat out and tow it, or your motorhome, take it out on a camping trip. So it's very capable of that. So guys, let me know what you like about this truck, the Rivian R1T. Really, really unique truck and really unique design in this truck. I really like it. The full bar in the rear and the front with the vertical light system. Very, very crazy design, but I really like it. So let me know what you guys like about this truck. And also, this is for sale for $93,500. If you're in the market to buy one of these, it's at the car buying center. I'll put the website down in the description so you can see know where to go and find it. So really, really unique truck. Once again, I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please go ahead and press that like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.